What is good, Budget Family? It's your boy Sneakerhead on a budget, one of the hardest working sneakerheads on YouTube. Go give me a like, share, subscribe. Definitely helps the channel out because YouTube be holding us down out here, Budget Fam. Alright, so boom, how you guys doing? I took a few days off. It was my birthday week, so you definitely had to celebrate. And with that, I posted a video on a trip to the thrift. Me and my wife went thrifting out there in Southern California, and we found a bunch of stuff. We also hit some Nike stores, and by hitting some Nike stores up, we found these bad boys right here. So again, if you like content like this, go ahead and like, share, subscribe. We're trying to get to 2K. That's the goal this year. Actually, at the end of the year, I'm trying to hit 5K, but we're going to start off gradually. All right, we're going to start off gradually. So definitely, again, if you like this content, please show your support, leave comments, share the video, like the video. It definitely helps the algorithm. So let's get into it. So again, you never know what you find on that Nike store, guys. That's why I always tell people, go to your local Nike store and see what you can get. You never know what you're going to find. And your boy happened to go and find some of these. Now, I was looking at the Air Jordan 2 Chicago that just released. They had a pair there. I wanted to see if there was in my size. Again, I have a list of things I want to cop this year, and some shoes on like my bottom end list. But if you find it at a Nike store, you get 20% off extra discounts. It jumps it up the list because you're getting it for retail below, and that's what the move is. So as for the Jordan 2s in a size 11.5, he went to the back, they didn't have them, but he said also in the back they had a pair of 13s and then a pair of 11s. So I was like, okay, which ones are they? So he brought them out, and then he brought up the 13s, which I was like, about, and then he brought out these bad boys. Now, if you don't know by the box already, these are Air Jordan 11, as you see from there. There's the tag and everything. So your boy had to cop these because these were the shoe I wanted. When the sneakers early access popped, I was in a work meeting, so I didn't get to see it until last minute. And when I seen it, all the smaller sizes are available. I didn't get so. And then they did another restock, and I don't think I got those. And the main jump, I didn't go for it because I was actually going for other shoes. So at the end of the day, I was like, you know what, I'll just get those later down the line. Just so happened that Nike store had them, and I got to stop moving my arm because it hurts so bad. But let's take a look at this shoe because I know this is a shoe that everybody went for. There's definitely in a lot of people's top 10s. We always look at the box. Top of the box, Air Jordan 11 box. As you see right there, look at the Nike Air Jordan logo at the top, just like you like it. And on the inside, nothing but whatever. So as you know, Nike store gets things used, not used, tried on and then returned, and let's get returned. So definitely check out your local Nike stores. I'll tell you guys again. Inside, we got the black stuff right here. We don't have any, if there's anything extra that came with it, I didn't get it. So that just is what it is. But here's the shoe itself. Keep this video fairly short because there's nothing new. You guys have seen it before. It's the Air Jordan 11 Cherries. As you do know, the way they released before is in a low top, so they released these in a high top. Some people didn't like the inside right here being red. I don't mind it because if you get the white one, it does get dirty a little too often, especially if you wear it a lot. So I don't mind the red one. Shoes still factory laced. Well, for the most part, I guess this one was definitely tried on. The bottom part right here, definitely not used. As you see, we got the icy blue sole. What do you guys think about this shoe? I think this shoe is definitely a dope shoe, definitely a cop. It wasn't something I really needed super duper at the moment, but I'm glad I got it. I'm glad I got it for the price I got because I do know if I had got it later, I'll probably let the pay resell. So I am glad I got this at the price I got it for. As you see, we got that patent leather right there, and we got that leather up here. The leather up here is actually pretty decent. It's a standard 11, so there's not really much I can tell you guys about this shoe that you guys don't already know. I will tell you that this is a pretty dope shoe for what it stands for, and definitely something you guys should even look at or even cop. What do you guys think about this shoe? Was this a shoe that you grabbed instantly, or is this a shoe you're gonna wait on like me? If you do wait, I do see a lot of restocks coming with these. I do see you can get these for cheaper than resale, so I would hold off as such as I did. Again, standard shoe. I don't really have to go through all the different textures and stuff because it's an 11. So definitely, guys, this message is clearly check your local Nike stores. You never know what you're gonna find. I'm your boy Sneaker on a budget. Peace.
Hope you love all of my shit. I hope you love all of my shit.